Hello everyone, welcome to my latest video in my journey to earn a MBA in IT management from Western Governors University, or WGU for short. My name is Terry and today we are talking about C211, Global Economics from Managers and how to pass that course. If you want to catch up on the other videos in this series, there's a playlist somewhere up here and down in the description below. There are two ways you can go and approach this course. The first option being, back in 2013, you decided to take a new job in downtown Minneapolis when you live 45 minutes away in the suburbs during your now hour-and-a-half round trip commute, and your frustration of taking a new job with a 25% pay increase and just seeing how little that actually impacts your paycheck after all the taxes here in Minnesota, you start listening to political commentary and current events podcasts during that journey. Then continue that for over a decade, and as long as the podcast you are listening to use those terms correctly, or even correctly-ish, you will know 85 to 95% of what you need to pass this course. Then just skim through the material that's provided to fill in the blanks for what you're missing, and you should be good to go to take both the pre-assessment and the final exam for this course. I don't want this to become political, but throw your guesses down in the comments section on which podcast I was listening to that helped teach me everything for this course. Or option 2. Since time travel is not a thing yet, and you can't go back a decade and change your habits to learn terminology for a course you don't even know you're going to take yet, good news, this is just a gigantic vocabulary test. Focused on economics, of course, globally, but it's just a vocabulary test. So just start at the top of the list, read through everything, make your notes with the main concepts and the terms that they lay out. Know the terms forwards and backwards, and then you're good to go for the pre-assessment and the final. Start to finish for me was 2 weeks. I just have my standard hour or two I set aside a day to just kind of plug away at this program. I didn't make anything special about it, but I wish there was more I could say about this course to make this video longer or have some secret weapon, but again, this class isn't hard. You just memorize terms. On the positive side though, generally when you take C211, it is towards the end of the program and it is stacked in order with accounting for decision makers, financial management, and advanced data analytics for decision maker, whatever it is. This course helps to break that up because fair warning, if you have not started any of those classes yet, those three are exponentially heavier and have way more content than this one does. So keep it simple. If you're not a political junkie, then just read all the material, brain dump it twice on the exams, breathe for a moment, then move on to those heavier classes and knock out this program. Links to everything I mentioned in this video are down below. Please consider subscribing and sharing this video and series with a friend who's considering anything at WGU. And until next time, bye now.